Good morning, it's Yvonne. It's Thursday. I'm going to do the jewelry unboxing tonight on my YouTube channel live. So this is an extra announcement to make sure that those who wanted to see it don't miss it. So to make this long enough to put on YouTube, we're going to talk about that real quick too, okay? So look for the scheduled video of jewelry unboxing and hit the notification bell, okay? So I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. I put it there. And I brought up some of my glass, and so tentatively, this is how I have it displayed, tentatively. And I might buy another unit to put here. Okay, so for now, this is what I have, and things will probably be sold as I get pieces I like better. I've got some room on the bottom, as you can see. So, it's not backlit yet either. This is the Fenton stretch glass console bowl. Let me come in closer so you can see what I mean by the stretch glass. This is a Fenton. I haven't even taken the price tags off of things, some of the things, because I want to make a list. I want to make a list of things, right? These are just some nice console bowls, or what else would you call these? But it's just really pretty. I don't think this one's vintage at all, but I just really loved it. So kind of a sea theme here with the Westmoreland Argonaut, you know, and the dolphins. That's not vintage though. That seashell slice has to be vintage because it's a seashell, right? My favorite shelf also is probably this with the Westmoreland pieces that I got for like $10. This right here is worth $40 to $60. Of course, there's my one and only Fostoria heirloom, but I love it. And because it was white, I needed to think of how to display it so that it shows, you know, the magnificent beauty of Fostoria heirloom. So the Bluebird of Happiness, which I think is going out of production. Not sure what that is yet. I'm still working on it, but it's beautiful. My Lalique copy, darn it, just a copy. This is a Fitz and Floyd. I'm not big on Fitz and Floyd, but I thought this was adorable. Let me bring this up. So I got a pretty good deal a couple weeks ago on eBay, and I'm like, well, let me add that for some color. So he's all glass. My one and only nesting hen. Some of you saw me get this for $7 at the Antique Mall. It's an Indiana glass nesting hen. I'm not big on the hens. I like the other more unique nesting creatures, but some of you saw me get that. It's in really good shape. Really good shape. So that will probably be my only nesting hen. If I find something cooler, maybe slag or something, I might upgrade it. But I'm okay to have a carnival piece too. But I much prefer these kind of nesting things. These Westmoreland pieces. This Argonaut, these are $40 to $60. These are $40 to $60 if they're in good shape. These are around $40 if they're in good shape. I love the color of this one. This is a more unique color. So sometimes that has something to do with price too. One and only fairy lamp. I needed some red. The Inesco bell, some of you saw me get. $1.59. It says love is forever, but I'm turning it this way. I don't want the text. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Some Hazel Atlas, and this is one of my favorite sets right here. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. One and only nod to Avon. Oh, I can't remember what this is. Darn it. Darn it. This is something. I'll get back to that. A silver fade, but I don't think it's a Dorothy Thorpe, but it's pretty and it's a placeholder until I find a good Dorothy Thorpe. My first salt cellar. I decided not to sell it and stick it up here for now. And grapes. A uranium glass bowl. If this wasn't chipped, this is worth, if I remember correctly, about $40 to $60. This was a special designer collab. Darn it, I should have prepared for that. Well, I told you guys when I found it, but that is uranium. And that's kind of a special piece too. This is a Murano, and then another carnival, very inexpensive carnival glass piece that I will probably replace when I find something better. Right? So, oh, hello. My Viking Blue Neat, as George helped me with, $4.99. Another Viking Blue Neat piece, I'm pretty sure. This I discovered was SKLO Union, so I'm keeping that. I bought this intentionally, brand new, still with tag, for $10, but that's okay since I was buying it for myself. I think resale value on it somewhere around $30, but kind of a newer Fenton piece, but it's beautiful. I thought maybe this was a caprice piece, but the color is a little different. It matches more like this Fenton, but I haven't been able to identify this exact piece with, I mean, there are a lot of similars, but it's gorgeous. It's prettier than most, so I'm keeping this until I find out exactly what that is. Oh, I missed that. The little atomic piece, right? The little atomic piece. So far, yes, that's what I've got going on. And it'll get arranged and rearranged, and there's some more room there. And I'm going to backlight it. But I'm pretty happy with it. Let me back up. I'm pretty happy with it. That's it. I'm going to eat, do a couple other things, and get ready to do the jewelry unboxing, okay? So come see me later. Bye-bye.